In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Google Drive request. By the end, you'll know exactly how to approve access from your email, from Google Drive itself, and right inside a document, plus a few tips to keep everything secure and efficient. Let's start with the quickest path, approving from your email. When someone clicks Request Access on a file or folder you own or can manage, Google sends you an email with the subject line, Request for Access. Open Gmail and look for that message. Inside, you'll see options like Open or Share. Click one of those, and you'll be taken to a small sharing window. Choose the level of permission you want to grant. Viewer, if they only need to see the content, commenter, if they should leave feedback without editing, or editor, if they need full editing rights. Once you've selected the appropriate permission, click Send. That's it. Your approval is complete, and they'll be notified automatically. A quick tip here. Always grant the least access needed for the task to keep your files safe. If you prefer to manage it directly from Google Drive, you can approve requests there too. Open Google Drive and locate the file or folder in question. Right-click it and choose Share. In the sharing panel, look for a section labeled Pending Requests. Click the requester's name to review their access. Just like before, choose the permission level, viewer, commenter, or editor, and then click Send to finalize. If you don't see a pending request, double-check that you're signed into the right Google account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal use. You can also approve requests from inside a Google Doc, sheet, or slide. Open the file and watch for a banner at the top that indicates someone requested access. Click Share or open the sharing settings from the top right corner. In many cases, you'll see an Approve option right there. Confirm the permission level you want to grant and approve. This is especially handy when you're already working in the file and want to handle it immediately. A few important reminders before we wrap up. You must be the owner or an editor of the file or folder to approve requests. Viewers can't grant access. Whenever someone requests access, Google sends you an email notification, so keep an eye on your inbox. And remember, approval means you are granting a specific permission level. Viewer to see, commenter to add feedback, and editor to make changes. Choose carefully to balance collaboration with security.